Testimony started today in the trial of the man accused of killing a Hutto police officer. Police say Colby Williamson ran over Sergeant Chris Kelley with Kelley's own patrol car in 2015. But unlike other officer murder cases, authorities are not seeking the death penalty against Williamson. KVUE's Jenny Lee is live in Williamson County to explain why. Jenny?
Hey, Mike, as much as the DA wanted to seek the death penalty in an accused cop killer case, this case just didn't rise to that level of intent. Meanwhile, this has been an emotional day for family, friends, and officers. Hutto Police dash cam shows Colby Williamson crashing minutes before his fight with Sergeant Chris Kelley. Police say he was trying to get away from them. In a long-sleeve blue shirt, Williamson watched and listened as the prosecution painted him and his then-girlfriend as meth and weed users who were on their way to make a drug deal before that crash in June of 2015. The prosecution says Williamson was test driving a stolen car when Hutto police tried to stop him. That led to a chase involving Sergeant Chris Kelley.
As he's standing there in that open door with his foot on the brake trying to hold the steering wheel.
The state describes how Sergeant Kelley tried to stop Williamson from stealing his patrol car.
Sergeant Kelley is struck by the door and the car, and he's thrown back onto the pavement and rolls over Chris Kelley's head.
But the defense tells the jury what the defendant did wasn't on purpose.
The defendant was driven by one emotion, and it was pure, blind, irrational panic. Would you really steal a car? Would you really run at high speed for what? Traffic tickets? Your license is suspended. You're going to get a traffic ticket for speeding. And that's the reason you bolt as if you just robbed a bank.
At times, the testimony proved too much for some in the courtroom, some sniffling and wiping away tears. One person who remained emotionless, the defendant himself. If convicted of murder, Williamson could face anywhere between 5 and 99 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. Now, the Kelley family doesn't want to speak to the media until this trial is over. The DA says the trial could be over as early as next week, especially with Friday being a county holiday for Veterans Day. Back to you.
Thanks, Jenny.